Rocket Grunt Ricky here with Team Rocket TV. We're going to be busting open some of these Pokemon Trick or Trade. These are the 2023s. They came out last year, and there's not a ton in here. There's nothing, particularly valuable or anything. I'm just, this is kind of like a test for this video. This is my first Pokemon card opening video on YouTube. So thank you all for taking your time. I'm just going to open these until I get a full set of these, and then I'm going to give the rest of the way. I actually have a subscriber who's baby girl. She's collecting Pokemon cards. So there's not too many in this set. I'm just going to crack them open. Like I said, this is a test just to see how everything looks, how everything's going. So let's crack right into it. We crack them and stack them. Why? Because Giovanni said so. That's right. Alright, Ghastly, excellent. Marshadow, and Drifloon. So these are 3-card packs. Like I said, just trying to collect all of them that are in here. The only reason I even bought these was because Haunter was my favorite Pokemon from Gen 1. Alright, we got Sinistea, Gengar, excellent, beautiful card, and another Drifloon. But yeah, I never had anyone to trade with me in Gen 1, so Haunter versus the Elite Four was my destiny. We got a Phantom, Spectrier, Micro. 3 cards per pack. These are pretty simple. There's not much to it. It's just kind of getting back into it, and I love Lycanroc, another Spectrier, and another Micro. Yeah, I just love busting Pokemon cards. It's nostalgic from when I was a kid. Sinistea, Spectrier, Drifloon. Phantom, Trevenant, Miss Magnus. Let's see. Definitely don't have the full set. There's not too many cards in here though. Let's see what we got. Bennett, a Houndstone. Nice. Working our way through. Rodriguez, Spectrier, Miss Magius. Lycanroc, hey, there's the Pikachu. Look at that guy. Happy to see you, buddy. The Thunder Bunny. I know he's a mouse. There he is. There's my boy, the Haunter. Trevenant, holographic. And a Shepherd. Let me get these out of the way. Yeah, just fun little things, getting those trick-or-treaters. Gengar, Gravard. Hopefully we don't have to open too many of these to get all these. I'd like to give most of these away. Hey, there's a Houndoom. Sick. Very cool. Sinistea. Absolutely fantastic. I like Houndoom. All the dark types were cool when they came out. Poltegeist, nice. Dusknoir, Drippin. Litwick, Lampic, and Chandelier. Missing all of the fire types from this set. Let's go. There's a Mimikyu and a Mismagius. Doing a horrible job of organizing these. Absolutely horrible. Another Haunter. Yeah, still my favorite. Gengar's a little silly looking in my opinion. Sinistea, a Houndstone, and a Gravard. A Delmise, a Mimikyu, a Drifloon. Mimikyu feels a little thick. Poltegeist, Marshadow, and Drifloon. At this point, I think we're just looking for the fire types. Marshadow and the Drifloon. Marshadow's the hollow there. I believe well, scratch that. I believe I've gotten everything. Oh, this is a Zubat in the set too. Get you, Gravard. Duskull. Spectre, Drifloon. A Lycanroc, a Pikachu, a Drifloon. Where are my fire types? There's 3 fire types in this set. I just need to see them. Get this rolling here. Hunter, Trevenant, Drifloon. I believe I've gotten everything except the fire types and the Zubat. I've never seen the Zubat either. There's the Houndoom and the Mismagius. Sinistea, Gengar again, Murkrow. Yeah, I just need the 3 fire types. Poltegeist, Duskull, Shuppet. I really don't hope I have to open all of these. Duskull, Mimikyu, Graveyard, my bad. There's a Dusclops. Hey, Chandelure, finally. Long time no see. Good lord. Good heavens. Hey, Litwick, we're doing it. I just need a Lampent now, I believe, and we have the set. And we can send the rest off to our subscriber. There she is. Lampent. And a Marshadow and a Mismagius. Alright, thank you so much. I'm glad you could all join me for this rather whelming pack opening of the Halloween cards for the trick-or-treaters. But I'm Team Rocket Ricky, Rocket Grunt Ricky. We're out here cracking them and stacking them because Giovanni said so. Tell your mother you love her, and like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.